Do you ever come across the situation where you have to type in a lot of text? For example, a long document in Word or a long email, or maybe you are writing your own blogs and stuff for your website. Well, in that case, it can be handy to use something else than just typing. I don't know about your typing skills, but mine are not that excellent. So when writing my ebooks, I discovered something else, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. My name is Olaf and I am the tool finder. So stay tuned. Why did I need this? As said, I was writing the accompanying ebook and my typing became somewhat of a frustration because you have to do a lot of stuff. You have the typos, you have to reread it, you have to do the punctuation, write, etc., etc. And also I switch a lot between different languages, so I thought, okay, there must be an easier way, a more productive way to do my typing. And if you have to type a lot of short text, then it might not be useful. But especially for longer text and when you want to be more creative, I would recommend using Microsoft Dictate instead of typing. And I actually discovered this, I think Microsoft itself sent out an email about it, and I thought to myself, let's just try this and see how it works. And it works actually great in Outlook, in Word, in PowerPoint as well, so it saves me a lot of time. And I thought it makes sense because I already use a lot of dictation in WhatsApp and Google Voice Search and even text. And sometimes I use another Chrome extension for Dutch language texts, because that is not available yet in Microsoft Dictate. But this is why I needed this, and I thought, okay, let's try this. Speed and accuracy. Well, what are the benefits of this tool? Well, as mentioned, speed is one of the most important ones. I can type pretty fast, but well, if it's a longer text, you will be much, much faster with Microsoft Dictate. It will also have a real-time word recognition and error correction, so even small errors won't be in your final text. It's really easy. There's no installation. It's free. And what I have discovered is that when just talking, you can be more creative. You are freer of mind, so to speak. So it's easier, for example, for blogging, to create better texts altogether. And last but not least, there are 29 plus languages that you can use it for. So what are the use cases for this Microsoft Dictate? Well, as mentioned, especially for longer text, this is a really easy tool. It's built in, so you don't have to install nothing for it and just go ahead and use it. So for Word documents, it's very easy. For blogs, it's easy. For Outlook emails, especially when they're a little bit longer, I use them all the time. So I can actually recommend it wholeheartedly. And this, I'm not sure if you are a physician, but if you are, it's just an example, obviously. The average US physician could reduce documentation time by about 7 hours per week by switching from typing to dictation. Well, obviously, I think you and me are not the kind of guys and girls that are typing all the time, but still, you type more than you think. So what about the differences between dictating and typing? Well, some statistics. As you can see, about speed, the average rate for transcription is 33 words per minute and 19 words for composition. A professional typist types in 50 to 80 words per minute. And using speech recognition, what we are talking about here, one can easily achieve over 100 words per minute with more than 95% accuracy, which is actually a great improvement. So what are the benefits? It's faster, it's easier, also on your muscles, no RSI, no stuff, and no mouse use, so that actually helps a lot in my case as well. And you can walk around, you can do the dictation freely, you can do whatever you want, and still having a good conversation with your computer. And actually that is what comes out. It's more like a conversation than it is actual typing of information. It gets more rounded, it's more free, it's more creative, it's just better. So as usual, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, and let's go to Word. In this case, I'll start with a blank document, and as you can see, it's already built in here at the top. And will set it to English to show you how this works. So let's start a blank document and let's start dictating. Hello guys, comma, new line, new line. This is an example of how you can use Microsoft Dictate in a Word document, period. New line, new line. As you can see, it autocorrects, comma, it is fast, and the accuracy is brilliant. Exclamation mark. New line, new line. That's an error. I can recommend it to you wholeheartedly. Period. New line, new line. Greetings, comma, new line, Olaf. So I thought this is pretty impressive, right? I mean, I don't know. I didn't see any errors. Let's go back one more time to see. Hello guys, this is an example of how you can yes, so 0 errors, apart from my own, let's say, hiccup. But apart from that, it is very easy to use. It is brilliant in its accuracy and speed, so I can recommend it to you again and again and again. And I would say use it in all of your Office applications and you will be very happy. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.